Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Black Fender Crew. Today, we got a treat in store for you. Oh, hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna start this video off. We got a couple boxes, and so let's open up those real quick. Oh yeah, what we got in here? Favorite boxes, Rock Auto parts boxes. Alrighty. Oh, what we got in? All set. There we go. This is analog power steering. How is this for the Kia Rio? So yeah, that's, we're gonna get that installed. We're replacing the power steering pump and the belts and all the hoses on it. And we're doing a full bleed for that system. So video to come. So there's that part. When we have a big part here. Unaware. Did I get a magnet in that? Oh, I did. Check that out. Look at that. Got the Corvair magnet. That's pretty sweet. I like that. We'll slap that up here on the toolbox. There we go. Alright. Keep your receipts. When you buy parts, keep them. So that you're not that one guy who's like, oh yeah, all my I have receipts, but I don't know where they're at. Keep them. Know where they are. Know what car they go to. Mark them down. Alright? Saves everybody hassle. So. Alright, let's get this box out of the way. Alright. Yeah, this guy, this big tongue is here. Well, move back a little bit. I think I know what this is. Let's open it up. Yeah. There we go. All right. Let's see. What? Oh yeah. Got a whole bunch of goodies. All right. Smart. Works pretty good. So this is the fender. This is the right side fender for the Acura Integra. So finally came in right after we got the other fender painted in color match. So now we have another fender that we'll have to paint, but no biggie. Speaking of the Acura Integra, let's go take a look at that. So here you go, guys. This is the Acura Integra, current condition of it. We got fender off of the side over here. We had that painted, it's color match now. So that's sitting in the back here, as you can see. So the plan is to get that on here and then get the front end button back up. Now this is the other side of the fender. This is the one that we just got in the mail. And as you can see, it's not that bad. It's got a little crinkle here and a little bit of rust forming right there from the accident. So I think we're just gonna leave it for now until I can get around. But to give you an update on this car got rear-ended right here. Basically took it to the shop. They said they can't do anything about it. because they can't get OEM parts anymore, and they will not do a job on it if they can't get OEM parts, which is a shame, but it just leaves me to do the work, and it gives me a little bit more content that I can put on the internet. So a little bit of a win-win, but kind of a win-lose also. So anyways, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got this fender back on the Integra. Let's take a look. So basically on the Integra, it's got a bolt right here, here, tying it in, and then you have two bolts down here. So there's two right there, and then you got a support piece right here where another bolt ties it in. And then we open the door, we got, I don't know if you can see that, I'll point it out. We got another bolt right in here, right there. There we go. So basically, on the Integra, it's got 9 bolts. Nope, that's wrong. So it's got 3 up top, 1 on the front, 2 at the bottom. So there's right there's 7 bolts holding the fender onto the vehicle. And so basically we got those secured. The panel gaps aren't too bad. This looks all right. This is about a 1/4 inch, which is the same on the other side. If we drop the hood down, let's do that real quick. We drop this hood down, you can see. So like if I come to this side, it's about the same. So this is fitting up really nicely. We did fit this before we got painted. It seemed to fit perfect before, so now it's painted and we're going to fit it back together. When we were driving it over to the shop, we did shred our liner a little bit, which I was a little bit upset about. I didn't realize that happened, but anyways, now is the bumper. So let's get the bumper, and there's a couple supports that sit here and here that tie everything in. And so I got those as well. So let's get all those put in. So I'll see you after I get that in. All right. Alright guys, so we got the front bumper buttoned up on this car. We only need to tie in the fender liner and then we'll be finished with that. And check that out. That looks pretty dang good. Like this side, I don't even think you would even know it was in an accident. It looks good. This other side, it needs some work still, but it's still better. We got that support piece back in here, right there. And now it's sitting properly. Yeah, you can tell it's got hit. So it's okay though, because one step at a time we'll get it figured out and we'll get it, back to being better than good. So let me finish up buttoning this up, and if I have time, I'm going to start working on that rear bumper. All right, let's get going. All right, guys, so we finished up buttoning it up. And now for the results. As you can see in these first photos, this is when the fender was dented. Then we got our replacement fender, which is the black fender, and that replacement fender was then painted to give us our final results.